Hello everyone, my name is Brandon Spain-Brist, and I am the intern for the Hubbard County Soil and Water Conservation District. Today, I will be explaining the differences you may notice between a quaking aspen tree and a paper birch tree, to help you identify them more easily. Let's start with the quaking aspen tree. The first thing you may notice is how the bark is white like a birch tree, but it's smooth with small bumps all over, which is nothing like how a birch tree actually looks. This clump of aspens is a good example of how aspen trees have a triangular shape on the bark, which I've highlighted right here. Aspens also tend to grow in large groups or clusters, unlike birch trees do. The leaves of an aspen tree have a very skinny petiole, which is the scientific term for a leaf stem, which looks like it was squished or flattened, like when you squish Play-Doh and it flattens on the table. That's how you can imagine the stem looks like compared to other tree species. Because of the quaking aspen's flattened petiole, it allows the wind to catch the leaves in a way that causes them to flutter all over and quake. The leaf itself has a rounder shape to it, with edges that have smaller pointed tips along the outside compared to birch leaves. Next, we will look at the paper birch tree to identify the differences that you can spot from the quaking aspen. Like the aspen tree, the bark on the birch is white, but on the birch, the bark looks like it's peeling off, kind of like paper. The stem on the birch tree leaves is more circular. It's not squished or flatter, looking like an aspen petiole. The birch leaves are in more of an oval shape instead of a rounded out shape like the aspen leaves are, and the edges have larger pointed tips than an aspen as well. You can look at the points on the edge of the birch leaf, where when you look at an aspen leaf, the edge tips are much smaller. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned more about the trees that may be in your backyard. Also, here's a quick 20-second video of what the quaking aspen looks like when it's quaking. Enjoy, and see you next time.